Can't decide on a 0 fade or a 1 fade? Well, this video will help you decide. Robbie came into Ruffians in Edinburgh for a cut and style with Laura. Now he usually goes for a 0 fade, but we wanted to show you guys how a 1 fade looks compared to that 0. Now, although there's only about 1.5mm in difference, a 0 fade is sharper and it feels fresher, but it will grow in more noticeably. Full details of this cut are in the description. Starting with a 1 fade, Laura put in the 1 placement line. She then started to take out some of the bulk, blending down from a 2 to the 1. To neaten, she used detailers around the ears and down onto the neck. And then foils to keep it really neat and sharp. Now if you like haircut and styling videos, then hit subscribe right now, and also check out the hairstyle directory on manfromself.com. There are over 400 styles and what to ask your barber right there. After washing Robbie's hair, Laura moved on to the top, first blunting the fringe before blending the top to the sides. Using a scissor or a comb technique, Laura blends and removes the weight line in the hair. To add loads of texture, she uses the comb to pick the hair up whilst cutting down into it. For styling, it's powder to add texture and a little cream to define. So that's the 1 fade. How much shorter does the 0 look? Now the same technique is used, putting in a 0 placement line, but this time using the detailers. Laura then uses the clippers to blend between the 1 and the 0. And the top is just left as it is. So what do you think? Is it better with a 0 or a 1 fade? And which one would you go for yourself? Hit subscribe right now and leave a comment for the type of style you'd next like to see. But until my next new video, bye bye.